In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam language. If your Steam interface isn't in your preferred language or you're setting up a new device, this quick walkthrough will get everything displayed the way you want. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Give it a second to load your library and the store. Once the window is open, look to the very top left corner. Click the word Steam in the menu bar to open the main application menu. This is where the core settings live, separate from any game-specific options. From that menu, choose Settings. A new window will appear with a list of sections on the left and detailed options on the right. We're heading to the Interface section, which controls how the client looks and what language it uses. Click Interface on the left to bring up those options. In the Interface panel, find the option labeled Select the language you wish Steam to use. It includes a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to see all available languages. Pick the language you want the entire Steam client to display in. If you're switching from a language you don't read well, it can help to recognize your target language by its native name, since that's how it appears in the list. After selecting your language, confirm the change by clicking OK at the bottom of the window. Steam will immediately prompt you to restart, so it can apply the new language across all menus and dialogues. Go ahead and click Restart Steam. The app will close and reopen. Depending on your connection, it may briefly download language files. That's normal. When Steam comes back up, the interface should now be in the language you chose, including the main menus, buttons, and settings labels. Nothing about your games, downloads, or account changes here, only the display language of the client itself. If you ever want to switch again, repeat the same path. Open Steam, click Steam at the top left, go to Settings, open Interface, choose a different language, hit OK, and restart. A couple of quick tips to finish. If the text looks odd right after the restart, give it a moment for fonts and resources to refresh. And if you accidentally pick the wrong language, don't worry. Follow the exact same clicks in the same positions to switch back. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Steam in the language that suits you best.